We are very happy to launch our assembly plants in Kenya, and which includes also the state-of-the-art test bench.
Today I'm happy to celebrate that we have also now a second assembly plant in Africa at Wilo, East Africa.
This assembly plant is an excellent example of a green company also using digital technologies.
So this is proving that Wilo has taken the next step from just selling and servicing to also having its local assembly plant. And one thing we are very happy about is also a training center.
Germany and Kenya are very proud of being host to Wilo.
I extend my warmest congratulations to Wilo Group for bringing this groundbreaking advancement in water sector to Kenya.